Welcome today further with SONY XPERIA Pro-I, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first you should hold for a while the application and drag it to another application, and as can you see here we got the new device folder. By the same way we can add here one more application. Also we can give a name to this folder. Just click here to the name and enter, for example, the apps. When just click here to OK, and as can you see we just successfully changed our folder's name. Also we can move this folder here on the screen. Just hold for a while and drag it, or also we can create the new screens for the folder, or just move the folder between screens. And if you want to just remove the application from the folder, hold for a while and drag it here if you want to stay with this app on the home screen, or if you want to just remove this application from the home screen, drag it here to the left upper corner to remove icon. But don't worry, you will stay also with this application here in the app menu. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.